Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Giselle, and welcome to day 4 of HoliSLAY. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. This is the week that I have been uploading new holiday inspired looks or holiday looks, New Year's looks, party looks that you can do. So I already have 3 videos of different looks that you can watch. Definitely have the playlist eye up here, whichever way it will appear, and I'll have the playlist link down below so you guys can view the previous videos of the different looks that I have done. So in today's video we will be recreating this black smoky glitter eye look using all affordable palettes. Kind of use 3, yes, 3, but these colors can be interchanged. Like you can use these colors, they're pretty basic basically, so if you have these simple browns and blacks you can achieve this, but for me I had to use 3 palettes to achieve this look. So look in your collection, follow along with me, see what you can do as well. We're gonna slay the holiday, hence HoliSLAY, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's super easy to do, and let's get to it. So like always, the products will be right here for you guys so you can see what I'm using. Like I said earlier, we're going to be using 3 palettes, so don't you fret. It's still palettes that you can, it's still colors that you can do and get from anywhere. But first things first, we're going to go ahead and prime our eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion as usual. And this is just to make all of our eyeshadows stay and last. And be sure you set that. I'm using my black opal setting powder just to go through and make sure everything is set. We're going to be taking a few colors from the Morphe 35O, the original palette or the first palette, and if you don't have this palette, it's still available. It's still a really good palette for transitions and just very neutral shades. I mean, I use this palette still all the time. First, we're going to go in with this red shade. It's like a reddish orange shade from that palette. And we're just going to put this all over. Next, we're going to go in with this brown and just putting that color on top of our transition shade. And really, we are going to be using browns just to deepen up our crease and prepare for that black. Next, we're going to take this brown and put that right on top. This is a darker brown. Alright, this look takes a lot of blending, so make sure everything is nice and blended before you move on to any of the next colors. So next, taking a eyeliner pencil. This is the L'Oreal Infallible pencil in black. You want to take a pencil that is nice and creamy. So you see, this is just super easy. I didn't apply a lot of pressure to get it off. If you use a eyeliner that is super hard and super dry, this part will be really a nightmare for you. So you can either use a very creamy eyeliner, or you can use a eyeliner pot or a cream eyeliner, or something that is one of those two. Elf has a really nice cream eyeliner that you can use. It's very cheap and affordable for this part. Or if you, like I said, have a black eyeliner, then you can use that. So for this part, we're just going to put that black eyeliner all over our eye, and we're kind of cutting our quote-unquote crease with this eyeliner. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to put that black eyeshadow on top of it. We just want something to have the eyeshadow to stick on and to be a little bit more to make it pop. Next, we're going to be taking the Profusion Mattes palette, and we're going to take this VIP color. And really you just want a matte black, so this is the only palette where I have a really good matte black eyeshadow. And we're just gonna stamp it all over that black eyeliner. I'm gonna get blending, so I'm gonna take these few moments and blend all of this together. So now we're going to take our NYX glitter glue, and we're going to take a little bit of that on the back of our hand. And I just have this flat brush. Gonna take some a little bit at a time because a little bit of this stuff goes a very long way. And I'm gonna place it all over our eye in patting motions. You do not want to drag it because you're gonna mess up your eyeshadow. You just want to pat it everywhere you want that glitter shadow to be. And this part you have to work fast because this stuff dries really quickly. And we're going to be in the Metallics palette of the Profusion palette, and we're going to take this glitter nebula, no, Blitz. I'm going to take Blitz and just press it on. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I have glitter fall out all everywhere basically, so all around here. So, and that's why we want to do our foundation last, because this stuff would have messed up our full face. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean up around my eye. I'm going to do my full face off camera, and then we'll be back to finish out the bottom waterline. If you guys would like to see what I do for my foundation, I've already did a perfect skin routine, which is basically my foundation routine, and I'll have it linked up here so you guys can check that out as well. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we are gonna take a black eyeliner pencil, and this is the retractable version of the L'Oreal Infallible pencil. They have two versions. I think one is like an actual pencil, one is the retractable version, so whichever. But I like the retractable one because it has a tinier tip and I can get on my waterline a lot better. And I also like to drag it down just a little bit, not too much. You have to be really careful so you won't get, you know, raccoon eyes. So next we're gonna go back into VIP with a little small brush, and I'm just setting the black. I'm not blending it out. I just want to set it. Then we're going to go back in with that same brown and smudge out that bottom lash line. So a couple of my friends want me to try to apply eyelashes on camera, which I think is going to be the death of me, but I'm going to try. So I'm just going to take some lash glue, and these are just some lashes that I got from the beauty supply store. It was like $3 or two for $7 or something. But they're just like really pretty natural looking lashes. If you have a little bit more dramatic lashes, like kind of flare out, would have been great, but I'm just using what I have. Bam, eyelashes are on. No, that wasn't that wasn't that bad. But you see, these eyelashes are kind of dramatic, but they flare out a little bit on the end, so it just gives my eye a nice little flare, a nice little cat eye effect. But the tool I use, you can get these little eyelash applicators anywhere, but this is from a website called Shop Miss A. I absolutely love this tool. If you have trouble putting on your eyelashes, get something like this to help you place it, so that way your finger and stuff is not in the way. You can, you know, see where you're placing your eyelashes, and it just really helps get the corners as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Told you this was a super easy black glitter smoky eye. So it is day 4. Tomorrow is the last day, day 5. I'm going to be uploading something fun. So make sure you are subscribed. If you are not, make sure you turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified for tomorrow's upload. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.